Hey guys, Alex is here, and today I want to talk with you about the problem, maybe about the issue which I faced when I started to build my PC. As maybe probably some of you have seen on my channel, I unboxed this one memory kit DDR4 from Corsair. It's a Vengeance RGB PRO, 4 DIMMs by 16 gigs with RGB lighting, and I wanted to install it into my PC in 4 slots. And when I started to build my PC, I faced a problem that those memory modules are too high to put water cooling in my case. So the thing is that the bottom top of the memory module touched the cooling radiator on the top of my case, and it could not fit into the case. So I could not install the cooling radiator on the top of my computer case. So also I couldn't install it in the front of my case because the case I used, Fractal Design Define 7 Compact, has no mesh in the front, so there will be no air intake if you put the cooling radiator on the top, on the front of the case. So only solution for me was to replace my memory, and fortunately just about a month after I open up this one, let's say it's the old previous memory kit, the Corsair released Vengeance RGB PRO SL. I don't know what SL exactly stands for, but those memory modules are lower. Let's just unbox this one and take a look what I mean. Here the package is the same. Oh, as you can probably spot it, this kit is 4 DIMMs by 16 gigs, and for new RAM I bought 2 kits by 2 DIMMs by 8 gigs. I think I will be enough with 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM. And the strange thing is that with these updated memory modules, Corsair doesn't offer you kits 4 by 16. You can either buy 2 by 8, 2 by 16, or 3 by 32, I think, but no anymore kits by 4 by 16. So anyway, it's a weird issue, but I don't know. So here we have the new kit, and let's take out our previous kit, and just from the starting point you can see that they are different in size. Sorry for this reflecting lights on the video. Let's unbox it and compare it in size by size. The new module looks like this, and old module a little bit difference in text styling, but anyway, the most important for us is height. Take a look closer here. Corsair claims that it's 7 millimeters lower new modules comparing to old modules, and it's obviously is like that. It's true. So they have the same RGB lighting, which you can control using the Corsair IQ app, and same characteristics. I'm using 3200 MHz with the Core i7 11700, and I set memory frequency to 3200 MHz, and I have no problems. But the main problem for me was using previous memory modules, the taller ones in my case, to fit all of my components. So as you can see in details here, I've tried to install mounting bracket from computer case on the top with the liquid cooling radiator, but it doesn't stays in place because the memory module heatspreaders are too high. This mounting plate doesn't stand in position. Here also you see a big gap, and the mounting holes for this part, they doesn't stick one to each other. And one more workaround I had to do, beside of replacing just memory modules, Anyway, the new modules didn't fit maybe for 1 mm, so I decided to cut one of the fans, the fan which touches the RAM heatspreaders. I've cut in the one of the corners. In that corner which touches, I cut it a couple millimeters of plastic. I know it looks not good, it's not a good job, but I've get the things done, and that side is not visible from the side door of my computer case because that cutted side is situated closer to motherboard. And finally, after all of those manipulations, mounting bracket with liquid cooling radiator was in place. It was no gap between, and I can screw it in the position. So I was quite happy after all that I've done. So as you could see from the video, this new updated RAM saved my PC build because I don't need to replace all other components, because I was thinking about maybe replace the PC case itself, but obviously I like that PC case. It's small, compact, and for its size it's full of space. So if you need smaller DDR4 modules, and maybe if you have faced the same problem that I, so just go ahead and buy the new updated Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO SL. They are lower, I think maybe even a little bit thinner, I don't know, but they have the same functions, same performance. It's a good RAM, but by the end of the day it's a Corsair anyway. I hope, guys, this video was useful for you and allows you to make a decision about your future PC builds. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you want to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video.